Hi guys, this is Ashwin here. So for the past 100 videos, we have solved algorithms problems. So for the upcoming videos, we are going to solve data structures. So in the beginning, it will be very easy because we already solved some of the algorithms problems using the basic data structures. As we progress through the problems, it will be somewhat difficult. This data structures concepts will be very useful for solving some medium and hard problems in algorithms. So we are going to cover all the data structures in the upcoming videos. In this video, we are going to solve the problem arrays in data structures. An array is a type of data structures that stores elements of the same type in a contiguous block of memory. In an array A of size n, each memory location has some unique index I, where I ranges from 0 to n, that can be referenced as A of I. You may also see it written as AI. Given an array A of n integers, print each element in reverse order as a single line of space separated integers. So we will be given an array, we have to reverse the array and print it. So it's a very easy problem for us to solve. So we have only 10 to the power of 3 elements. It's very small number of elements. So this is the input format 1, 4, 3, 2. We have to reverse the array and print it like this 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, let's solve the problem. So we can solve this problem in a single line itself. Return A of colon colon minus 1. So this will return the array in the reversed format, that is 2, 3, 4, 1. In the main function, they are printing the array as a string format. So we don't need to consider the main function here. We only need to consider the function that we have to solve. So we are returning the array in the reverse format using the subscript. Minus 1 in the step part will reverse the array. You can also use the reverse function in the array or list. So that's the simple logic of the problem. Let's run it. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it guys. We solved the problem. I think it's a very easy problem. Everyone can do it. So if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. See you guys in the next video.